Got these Avo adjustable coilovers on my kit car. These top bearings have got a bit play in them. Well, the bearings top and bottom. So I've got some new ones from direct from Avo, £7 each with a bunch of new circlips. Replace them. Take this circlip out on either side. Put them in the press and press this centre bearing out. That's both circlips out. I'm going to take it over to the press. So with it in the press, I've got 30mm socket at the bottom to support the coilover, a 16mm socket pressing on the bearing. So that'll mean that the bearing can fall into that 30mm socket at the bottom, as can the 16mm socket on top. Doesn't take a lot of pressure. I'd help if I wouldn't hold my phone through this, but old bearing's out. Cleaned it up with a bit of Scotch-Brite. Put one of the circlets back in to act as a stop when you press the new bearing in from the other side. Same thing again when pressing the new bearing in. 16mm socket on top to push the bearing. 30mm underneath to support the shot. Push it until you feel it stop against the circlip. And there it is, both the circlips are on either side. New bearing. Simple, easy job to do, quick. If you didn't have a press, you could probably do it in a vise using the same method if you had a big enough opening vise.